So guys, today I will be showing you all how to make Dubai chai chocolate. No, I meant Dubai chai tea, okay? Oh no. Wait.
Hello.
Hi, Vinama.
Okay, go on.
Okay. So we have saffron from Dubai. What is this called again?
Chakra tea powder.
Chakra tea powder. Sugar. I think this is just here. Milk and then hot water.
Okay.
So this will be for the milk. We will boil this. Well, not boil, make it hot. And then this, we will put all the rest of the stuff. So let's start. So Amma told me that I need to pour it in here so that we can heat it up and make the milk taste better. Okay. What else?
Turn on stove.
So Amma told me to take the water and add it here.
Take chakra tea powder.
So she told me to take the chakra tea powder and put it here. Okay.
Chippo. No, I'm adding sugar.
Oh, sorry. So now I'm gonna take the sugar and put it here. So we'll have to wait for a while, right?
And Dubai chai has a flavor that comes from the saffron. This is the Dubai saffron. Now I'm take 5 to 6 petals, crush them, and add it to tea powder.
So my mom told me to take the Dubai saffron, take 5 petals, I think, around that much. Put it in the grinder and then This is good enough. I'm trying to get the light here. This is good enough.
No, add it in tea powder.
Okay, so I take one.
Take like this and shake it. Now milk is increasing. Turn off the heat. Slow it down. Slow it. Come on. Now let it cool. Slowly simmer. Let it simmer, and this one is boiling now.
Are these that valuable?
Yes, sir. It is gold. 1 gram is like
cooking, gold and cooking.
Yeah, it is.
That's why you have this fancy container for it.
And you tell before cooking.
Look at the color change. Whoa! It looks like caramel from like those dalgona cookies from Squid Game. Okay, so like since we boiled it, the milk looks like it has a top layer. It's rising up. What do I do when it's rising up, Mama?
Now take the spoon and mix it. Mix this one.
This?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Tell me. Take the spoon and mix it once.
So right now I'm mixing it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just mixing it. Alright. Okay. So now I think all the petals are spread out perfectly. Vinama, come on!
Now turn off the milk one. Now take this one, and now I'm going to add. Now it is boiling. Do not boil too much tea powder. Tell me.
So my mom told me that now it is boiling. You're not supposed to boil too much tea powder. So what do I do now? I grab it?
Take the milk and pour it in this.
Have to?
Yeah.
This is my first time. Okay, now it's changing color. Okay, now I can see. Now it looks like actual tea. Okay, at least I got the skin behind.
Now stir one more time. This one. Stir now. Stir.
It's pushing up the tea powder from the bottom. Ow.
Dubai chai aroma.
Oh. What?
Chappo. Now I can smell Dubai's.
It's pushing all of the powder from the bottom up. I see.
Now add little elachi powder. Cardamom powder, little, not too much. Little.
So my mom wants me to put little cardamom powder.
Very bit, not too much. It adds flavor. Tell me, whatever you were gonna say.
This much?
Hmm.
So my mom told me to like put this much exactly.
Take a
And
stir.
dissolved. Wait, first we always put the lid first. That matters.
To secure the flavor.
Well, technically it could fall down. That's what's more scary.
Now it is done. Now I'm gonna serve it in a tea glass.
Now it is almost. Now it is like done. Now it's just heating it up. Now like it's completely done. So now I'm gonna serve it with a cup.
Before that, I need to strain.
But before I can put it in the cup, strain it with the strainer. My mom is cleaning it right now. Will you hold it, Mama?
Now, Livia will take this.
Wait, but this will fall down. Can you hold it?
Okay, leave.
Wait, you hold the strainer.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it right.
When I say stop, you stop and pour slowly. Stop. Pour here.
I'm actually getting it right.
Yes, yes. Pour all of it.
Now I'll get that spoon and then press it out. Wait. Hold up, hold up.
Mm. Actually, I took 1 glass milk, 1 glass water. After boiling, it will become 1 glass exactly.
So I took 1 glass milk, 1 glass water. After boiling, it will become 1 exact cup of tea. So if you want to make 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk.
So
And I think,
since
like,
we
the
don't drink
measurement-
this much, we take a half of it.
And that is useless because you just poured it back.
Chappu.
But of course, you don't have to put 2 cups of water and 2 cups of milk to get 2 cups. You can just pour it halfway. But now I'm gonna serve it to my dad. I'm gonna see you guys later and give you guys his reaction. Well, not his reaction, his thinking. Alright.
What happened, Margaret?
I took the cup of coffee.
Tea.
No, tea. And I gave it to Nana. Okay? His reaction was, like, I asked him, was it good, Nana? And he said, he took a sip. Oh, it's actually better than your mommy's. So, guys, thank you, Allah, for teaching me how to make Dubai chai tea. So, I hope you guys will see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button. Bye. Wait. You know what? Say Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
You know what? Say like and subscribe. Bye.
She is just woke up. She is not in a good mood to talk.